Hi there folks, Gareth here, and this is another product from that Box have sent across. This is the Box Surge Smart 4-port USB surge protector. I'm quite excited about this. I have one of these, but it's kind of unsightly, black, and but I take it everywhere with me. It's so easy to throw into my bag, and I use it whilst abroad or at press conferences and that sort of thing. So this is the one from Box. And let's dig in and see what it's like, if we can. And that's all that's in there. So here we have a card from the back of the box, and it just basically shows this into this and all of these coming out of that quite nicely. Specifications are this: 3 AC sockets, 100 to 250 volts, 13 amps, 350 dual surge protection, overload switch, and 4 intelligent USB ports. There's going to be a power surge at your local electrical substation. This should have you covered with that overload switch, and it can detect up to 350 joules coming in. Anything over that, don't know what would happen then. Equipment, £250,000 or £25,000 warranty. Okay, so if this fails, then in addition to manufacturer's limited 1-year warranty, your Smart Surge unit provides additional peace of mind with connected equipment warranty to the value of £25,000. Full details and limitations of this warranty can be found online. Okay, so there. If this is particularly interesting to you, fully uncoil the power cable before use. Position Smart Surge unit carefully to avoid accidents. Don't use in damp, humid environments. Don't allow cables to be connected to equipment to cause potential trip hazard. Don't remove the 13 amp fused plug, and don't overload to a maximum circuit capacity of 13 amps. Okay, so lots of warnings, but just use as you would normally expect a plug to be used. So nothing else inside here. We have surge protection, fireproof technology, smart charge, aluminium build, and 4 USB ports simultaneously charging. Same thing on this side, nothing else. And this is the device itself. Okay, so we have a plug on the end with a plug's protector. Not screw, but you can change the fuse if absolutely necessary. And then we have a cable. It didn't say how long the cable was, did it? No, it did not. So the cable is roughly 2 meters long. And then on the back here we have aluminium, 2 cutouts for screws. Scuffs quite easily, but that's probably just coming out of the box. Surge Smart here, just some basic information about it. On this side, very little. On the front, 3 3-pin plug sockets, box, logo, nothing on this side. At the top we have an on-off button, or a reset and off. And then down this end, just 4 USBs, quite nicely put in. It's a bit odd that they're not here, but maybe that's just maybe it's more practical. I'm not sure which way I prefer it. USB cable here to plug in, like so. There's a decent amount of space between them, so you're not going to be clashing. And it's quite a nice device. It's not particularly long. It's maybe just under a foot long with surge protector inside it. That's a good use of technology. I quite like this. I will be using it. It is a wee bit heavier, I suppose, than the one I currently have, but it's got a much slimmer profile, so it looks very nice. One thing that I will say is that it's £30. And that's going to be require a little bit of justifying for someone to buy it. I can't say that I would have gone to as high as £30 for something like this, but then taking into account the aluminium around the outside and the general good lookingness of it, how important is that to you? Probably not terribly, but it's something that you can take with you wherever you happen to go. or just something that's going to lie on the desk in a rather good looking office. Yeah, it's It's difficult to justify that kind of money for it, but if it's what you need, then it's what you should pick up. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and take care now.